people. This is what we got. Let's get in here. This is what we got. So that's why I say it's a challenge, man. Supposed to be some kind of hole back here too that I need to look out for. But we definitely got some stuff up in this here thing. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, look right over here. Customer warned me about this big hole. And good thing she did. Yeah. I don't know what this is about. But this right here can end your day. But let's go. Hopefully it won't take us too long. We might have to hit this with the push mode and everything else too. So, there you go. You should be able to get us more back here. 0 turn, slide through there. I almost like doing these though. I don't like doing them all at the same. Well, all in one day. It's one of them projects. Hit this in one day. There we go. We got this bad boy knocked out. Try to leave as much, get up as much as the grass as we can. This is what you get, people. You take your time and you're able to challenge anything. Get all this tall grass knocked out. That's what we got accomplished today. We might be ready to take it in, though.